Listen to this.
History. We find that the Brown Act does not permit limited comment at special city council meetings.
Eric
based
just
on
got him.
comments at prior distinct meeting meetings.
You see that shit?
Previn adequately alleged a claim that he was improperly denied the opportunity to comment on the agenda at a special meeting. Previn has also adequately alleged matters of conduct by the city at special city council meetings in violation of the Brown Act. He therefore stated a claim in his amended petitions for a writ of mandate and complaint for declaratory relief under the Brown Act. And so what it means is we all have to do a better job. The appellate court was very clear, and it irked me a little bit that we were honoring the great supervising council judge for the Superior Court because they were the ones who made the wrong ruling twice. So it upsets me that we do that, and I hope that they would take
You see what we got here, too?
So, next speaker, please.
It doesn't exist, and we got to get up there.
Hi, my name
Why don't you speak first and use this, and then give it to me, and then I'll use it. You want to do that?
Assume that homelessness is done and dealt with. It is within reason that
You speak.
torments
We'll do what we did before.
Okay, then you go first. Sets into any person space with
That way I
that
can
issue. To come to a conclusion that allows them to think that it
Here,
is
let me get
not
this
a
back
way
up here.
to keep the issue at the
I
forefront
don't have time.
for many of the issues growing. A few programs within place throughout LA help homelessness. Much of the information kept and given out by these programs need to be up to date. Many remember past shutdown prompted an early release of funds that all those utilizing the GR in turn many homeless had to turn to other ways to find money to eat once their only means ran out. Cold, rain, and empty stomach, worries about how, where, why, and when, again, do change perspectives. Many dealing with homelessness brought to my attention that some of the information given out showing time, locations of food pantries or similar organizations were not up to date. Please keep in mind, walking for miles in the rain, the cold, or any kind of temperature can and does wear on any and all persons. Thank you very much.
Honorable Board of Supervisors, my name is Larry Reagan, and I'm from Encino.
Here, take this.
I'm here to talk about jails.
Thank you.
At the age of 18, I went to jail for driving under the influence and rehabilitating. Going to the county jail was scary and it scared me straight. Fortunately, I did my time on a ranch, which is interesting because instead of living in a cinder block cell or dormitory built with reinforced concrete, I lived in a Quonset hut, originally built as part of a Japanese internment camp, and probably built for a lot less money with a concrete jail, controlled by computers and filled with wires and security cameras costs. For the sake of saving money, I urge the board to look into building less expensive jails for those charged with misdemeanors or nonviolent felonies. I do not know if the Quonset huts are still at Wayside in Saugus, but they tore them down, they threw money away. Thank you.
Thank you. Next speaker, please.
Well, since we're on the topic about judges, haven't you heard the bad news about the judges of Los Angeles? How they're siding on one side versus the other, but in favor of those who are the perpetrators of lies, like the city of Los Angeles, as brought to you by Eric Previn, and also brought to you by Mr. George in his comment. In my hand is his file. His file indicates that he was being suppressed by judges and said, "You have no action in our courts." But he should. All of us have a process called due process. And for that reason, I can say that the judges of Los Angeles, and I'll give you one name in particular, Carol Goodson, who likes to set up people on TROs, temporary restraining orders. She's malicious, angry person, and shouldn't be on board as a judge, period. And as far as going back to what the city of Los Angeles has done, they are challenging the potential chills of speech, in which they, with absence of any regulation that receives some First Amendment, have no idea what our protections and rights are. As we've indicated, as we chair the floor when we control the mic. So because of significant First Amendment content, freedom of speech, it is a delicate and vulnerable situation that we have judges regulate and this board and the city of LA by terrorists under the name of Herman Jason Wesson, who initiated under Eric Garcetti the FBI investigation. All of you should go to jail, as Garcetti says. And I'll say it for the record. Some of you should go to jail now.
Next speaker, please.
I want to follow up with that. You see, there's a reason why I was saying and doing what I did with Brazil. How is it that I have here Mr. Vignazzi prosecuting me, but he doesn't exist as a lawyer? Mr. Brazil, you friggin' criminal! How am I prosecuted by Mr. Jordan? No bar license! Huh? Last July 13th, on the 3rd, Judge Stennis, in a criminal court, sends me to Division 95, married a wicked witch Wickham. Then Judge Stennis is transferred by that pig Brazil over to the mental health court to jack me again, and he declares me competent. And a week after that, he declares me incompetent for the 4th time. Do you know what the hell double jeopardy is? Quadruple jeopardy, quintuple jeopardy, all in deep gas trouble. Because you allow him to do this. And then your stupid cops with you help employ your double methodology of, oh, you're not one of us, so you can't say jack. But your public defenders can do everything against your so-called illegal public speaking that I gave you in the 2012. Oh, and damn, didn't I just find a letter from the ACLU on the same goddamn subject? Except, what does Eliasberg say to me the last time? Oh, George, you haven't gotten anywhere. Do you remember COINTELPRO, huh? Who the fuck do you think is running him and you? You don't run yourselves. You're totally controlled. And guess what, fools? You gotta deal with this now!
Speaker, please.
Here. Yes. You criminal pieces of trash. Oh, I forgot. Here's one other piece I forgot. Oh, yeah. It's how you all blew it again with your own court documents.
Go ahead.
Good.
You shut up.
Thank you for being patient. I hope the Democrats have problems with people.
What's CAPE? Oh, I see. Cool.
A lot of people are angry.
I didn't know.
Thank you.
I'm with public employees.
And homeless people, things like that. We still have a long ways to go, and we have a lot of work to do. I actually went to the law and things like that, what's really going on with how people are being housed and things like that. I think that has a lot to do with people of color being housed and homeless people being housed and things like that. So I'm investigating it. I think being patient. Remember when you go up there and see patience is the most important thing. A lot of people's mental capabilities and power, things like that. You show a great deal of patience. Thanks for being like you did. Keep up the good work that we achieve. Thank you.
Thank you, Richie.
Why aren't you guys up speaking?
That concludes our members of the public.
Man, come down here and speak, dudes. Go sign up right now.
Start with President Key. Thank you, Madam Chair. I move when you adjourn the daily adjourn memory of Jean Bellman, teacher who died on February 17th.
Dude, you guys need to come down and speak and let them know what you're up to.
Grad school helped him launch his career.
Don't you guys get that?
And a scholar of American literature.